my pro this is my prototype designed by Master Pinoy Teach and me, the newbie. So here's the final. So this is 220 volts, 220 volts power inverter, 12 volts, 12 volts battery inverted to 120 volts. So as you can see, this is at 220 volts. Now I have here the 8-in-1. So you can see 6 volts DC, AC, 12, 24, 50, 110 volts, 220 volts, 380 volts. So this is my LED tester. So now I can put my so I put this. I will put this, then as the so I will put this as a, so as you can see, this is 12 volts. So now I will show this is the final. So this is the, as you can see, yeah. So now I will put my inverter, so you can check this. So you can check this. Check this. Yeah. 20 volts, no? So perfect.